Are you ready for the next crypto bull run? Many experts believe that certain cryptocurrencies are poised to accumulate significant value before the next surge. With so many factors affecting the crypto market, it's important to stay informed and strategic in your investments. Keeping an eye on these promising cryptos can let you just be ahead of the curve when the next bull run begins. In this video, I am going to tell you about 3 such projects, which include Near, Gala, and Crow. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain in a fun way. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. Without further delay, let's just dive into the first project on our list. Near. What is Near? Near Protocol is a smart contract-capable, public proof-of-stake blockchain that aims to act as a community-run cloud computing platform. Near is a decentralized blockchain platform that was launched in 2018 by the Near Foundation. It provides a user-friendly experience for developers and users alike, and enables the creation of decentralized applications (dApps) that can scale to millions of users. How does it work? Near's underlying technology is based on a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which means that users can help secure the network and earn rewards by staking their Near tokens. Moreover, scalability is the major problem of the Ethereum blockchain, and the Near protocol provides a solution through a technology called sharding. Sharding is a technique that reduces the computational burden on a network by dividing it into smaller sections or shards. This allows each node to run only the code relevant to its shard, enabling shards to perform computations simultaneously and increasing the network's capacity as the number of nodes grows. In summary, sharding divides a network into smaller sections to enable parallel computation and scalability. Who is on Near protocol? Despite launching its mainnet just recently, there are a large number of projects already building on the platform, which include 1. Mintbase. Mintbase is a decentralized marketplace for creating and selling non-fungible tokens, NFTs, that are built on Near. The platform allows users to create their own unique NFTs and sell them on a marketplace without the need for a middleman. 2. Paris. Paris is a platform for creating and trading generative art NFTs. It allows users to create and trade unique pieces of digital art that are generated algorithmically. 3. Berry Club. Berry Club is a social farming game that is built on Near. Players can farm berries by staking Near tokens and participating in various community activities. The platform is designed to be a fun way for users to earn rewards while also building community. 4. Ref Finance. Ref Finance is a decentralized finance DeFi platform that is built on Near. It allows users to borrow, lend, and trade various cryptocurrencies in a decentralized, permissionless way. 5. Flux. Flux is a decentralized data storage and computing platform that is built on Near. It allows developers to build decentralized applications that require large amounts of data storage and processing power. Tokenomics. Similar to other public proof-of-stake networks, Near protocol utilizes its own cryptocurrency, Near, to incentivize decentralization. Validators who process transactions on the network receive Near as a reward, much like Bitcoin miners. This issuance of new tokens into Near's circulating supply is known as inflation. Near has a maximum supply of 1 billion coins, with approximately 89% currently circulating. Near's all-time high market cap was $12.39 billion, achieved when the value of a single Near coin reached $20.2. But right now, as in the last week of April, the market cap is $1.712, while the Near token is valued at $2.15. Now let us move to the next project on our list. Gala. What is the Gala? Gala is a platform for decentralized gaming that aims to empower players and developers. Gala allows users to own and trade non-fungible tokens, NFTs, that represent in-game assets such as characters, items, and land. Gala also enables developers to create and publish their own games on the platform and benefit from the network effects of the Gala community. Gala Games was founded in 2019 by Eric Schiermeier, a co-founder of Zynga, and other experts from the gaming and blockchain industries. How does Gala work? Gala works by using a network of nodes that validate transactions and secure the platform. Node operators are rewarded with Gala tokens, which are the core utility token for Gala Games. Gala can be used to purchase NFTs, pay for network fees, peer-to-peer payments, reward nodes, and participate in governance. Users can also contribute to the Gala Games ecosystem by running a Gala node, which helps secure the network and distribute games. Gala can also be traded on various exchanges and platforms. Gala platform features. Some of the features of the Gala include a marketplace where users can buy and sell NFTs, a dashboard where users can manage their NFTs in games, a wallet where users can store and transfer their Gala and NFTs, a game studio where developers can create and launch their own games, a game library where users can discover and play various games. Tokenomics. The initial supply of Gala was 7 billion tokens. The total supply of Gala is 39 billion tokens, while the maximum supply is 50 billion tokens. The remaining 28 billion tokens are allocated for node rewards, which are distributed over 100 years. As of April 27, 2023, the Gala token has a market cap of $1.5 billion and a price of $0.03 per token. The Gala token is currently available on both Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain networks and can be traded on various exchanges such as Binance, KuCoin, Uniswap, and PancakeSwap. CRO. Next on the list is the CRO project. What is CRO? The company was originally known as Monaco, but underwent a rebranding in 2018 and is now called Crypto.com. It is an all-inclusive financial platform that provides a range of cryptocurrency services, including trading services through an exchange, payment services through an app and a Visa card, decentralized finance options, and non-fungible tokens. Additionally, Crypto.com has its own cryptocurrency, CRO, which is utilized within its blockchain to facilitate and power its various applications. CRO's special features. Some of the features that make CRO special are: it enables fast and low-cost transactions on the Crypto.com chain, a high-performance blockchain network that connects users and merchants. It provides access to exclusive benefits and rewards on the Crypto.com Visa card, such as cashback, discounts, and airport lounge access. It allows users to earn up to 20% APY on their CRO deposits on the Crypto.com app and up to 14% APY on the Crypto.com DeFi wallet. It empowers users to participate in the governance and security of the Crypto.com chain by staking CRO and voting on proposals. Tokenomics. The tokenomics of CRO are designed to align the incentives of all stakeholders and ensure the long-term sustainability of the network. The total supply of CRO is fixed at 100 billion tokens, of which 70% are allocated for network development and community building, 10% for capital reserve, 10% for secondary distribution, and 10% for ecosystem grants. The circulating supply of CRO as of April 2023 is about 25.27 billion tokens, while the total number of tokens is 30.27 billion. There is no limited supply. With a market cap of $1.89 billion, it is currently valued at a price of $0.075. So these were the projects that are going to accumulate before the next bull run, which is not so far. Do your research and choose which project you want to invest in. So here was all of it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. What do you think of today's video? Do leave a comment and like the video. Tell us what you want to learn about next. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more price prediction videos like this one. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.